What is up, everybody? This is D22 with you today. Hope you're doing fantastic. And today we're going to be talking about how to watch a YouTube video. So we're just going to pick a video from this site. I'm going to pick it from my subscription. So here's how to watch a video. You look at a video here, then you click on it. And this is how you watch a video. Oh, this is my cousin. Hi, Chrissy. Nice to see you. So that is how you watch a video.
I recently went to Manila for the weekend with my best friends.
So that's how you watch a video. Leave it in the comments below if you want to know more. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my cousin for more videos.